Had you ever had just a pivotal moment in life where you said enough is just enough and a change needs to be made? For me, the long anticipation of waiting 39 weeks before seeing her for the first time is a moment I will never forget. From the first contraction, it took 22 hours long before being admitted to the hospital for delivery. And the delivery process took another 18 hours, of which 3.5 was spent pushing. From start to finish, that's a total of roughly 40 hours to deliver. It is truly love at first sight. So my wife and I were both in tears meeting her for the first time. Harper Rose Lai. I've been a bit slow in posting my videos, working through the busy schedule with a whole new person to take care of. It's a moment like this in life where I believe is worth living for. It is surely one of the pivotal moments in life. It doesn't matter how much money you make, as money cannot provide this feeling. Hey, you still need money. Money cannot buy happiness. It can, however, make your life better by giving you the freedom of time. Time to spend with family, time with friends, time traveling around the world, and to buy things in order to have a comfortable lifestyle. Money does translate to power. Power to command people to do things and get what you want. For example, with money, you can hire people to do your biddings. Cooking, cleaning, to do your taxes, work for you if you own a business. The ability to buy what you want, a car, a home, starting a business, all of this requires money. Of course, money at the end of the day is just a number on the digital screen that could make people instantly rich or poor. Like for me, I never see actual hard money. It's always just on the bank. I pull my bank statement, log in online to look at my numbers. At the end of the day, these are just all numbers behind a computer screen. I'm talking about the Wall Street Stock Exchange, which can drive people insane. If no one values these fluctuations, then they would have no meaning or value. All right, so let's get to the point of all of this. I don't see the value of money going away anytime soon. So let's add meaning to life by not letting the money control you. Seek to control it. And how would you do this, you might ask? Work on how you can manage your money. Have your hard-earned money work harder to make you more money for many years to come, so you can surpass the living of paycheck to paycheck and eventually live off of your investments. If you're watching this video and you want to have financial control, that's the first step, and that's the hardest part. Wanting to do something versus actually doing something about it makes all the difference. If you've decided to do something about your finances, I'll be sure to root for you. I'll be talking about things I've done to get my finances on the right path over the next 7 weeks. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell notification so you get my latest videos. Thanks.